morning from Freelance Chucky place.
Good morning.
So we touched on this last year, a cactus plant called the tuna that you can make a drink out of, a lot of different uses, but I didn't get the chance to actually film Chucky making the drink. So today's the day where we get to do it.
In Mexico, they call it cactus. Oh, that's what you're talking about. Yes, it's a favorite meal in Mexico, and I didn't know that. It's a girl from Mexico stay here and told me. So this is like vegetable. They cook it like callaloo, pacho, everything you can get in Mexico in the restaurant.
And you never knew that?
I did never know that. Wow. In Jamaica, we just know it. That's when you smoke so much, you cut it up and put it in the water, and then you drink the water, and they say it wash off your stomach. And the next purpose I know about it for in Jamaica, you could cut it and split it, and then you use it and wash your hair like a shampoo.
That's what I heard it about more than a drink, was the hair, a natural hair.
Yes,
hair wash.
It makes sun, you know?
Shampoo, yeah.
Yeah, shampoo.
What are you going to make now from it?
I'm going to put it in the water.
Drink,
yes, that you guys can drink it if you want, you know?
Yeah, I would love to.
Yeah, so look at it, super nice.
Very cactusy.
Yeah. So this thing is an international thing, but different place, different culture, different purpose, different name. I think that's how it works, you know?
Now, I've seen a lot more cactus growing around right by the airport. Like, it seems to be drier there. You see a lot of cactus on the beach. I'm surprised this grows so well in Portland because it's known to be rainy here, you know?
Yeah.
And do you know why they call it tuna?
No, to be honest, I don't really know.
Okay, because it's kind of a funny name, because obviously we know tuna as a fish in North America. Yeah. And I don't see much tuna-like. I don't know, maybe people can comment below if you know why it has a name. Maybe it's a short form for like a scientific name, or who knows. We'll have to Google it. Ask Dr. Google.
Yeah? Maybe I have to ask Dr. Google. Google knows everything. You know?
It's true.
Yeah. So you just prepare it like this, in small pieces. And that's going to leave it freelance, that's a guest in can have it, you know, who want it, you know, and drink it.
Everyone loves the freelance vibe here. That's for damn sure.
Yeah, total freelance place this.
So, any shape slice, it doesn't really matter as long as
no, it don't really matter. You just cut it freelance.
You just want some surface so that the water can kind of draw out the natural juice of it. Yeah.
Yes, and it a little bit in Jamaica what would they call a little bit slimy or sipply. You know?
Yeah, kind of like like an aloe, right?
Yeah, definitely.
So good for the skin too.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you can see the stickiness on it already, like a little bit. Although aloe, I would say, is more sticky.
You can use it for skin, just like what you say. All you have to do, open it like this, and go like this. You see?
So did you use this one as a kid as moisturizer?
Yes.
Too?
Yes.
This more than the aloe, or both?
More than the aloe.
Oh.
Cause when we growing up, we don't buy shampoo. We use this and wash our hair down by the river. Oh. So it's even good for sunburn too. Look, and maybe it's good for mosquito. To run away the mosquito them, because the mosquito not gonna stay on the skin when it's sippy like that.
Smell as much.
No.
Yeah, I noticed so much growing down by the
airport,
by Port Royal.
Yeah.
You know, there's tons of cactuses on the beach there, whereas the beach over this way, I don't see much cactus growing. I see just the tuna ones on people's yard usually.
Oh.
So yeah, you do see it around for sure. And these get massive too, right?
Yeah, man.
These can go giant.
It's young. It can be more bigger.
Or like a huge tree trunk.
This can become more thicker, expand more, wider, you know. That means when you cut it like this, you get two nice big slices, you know. Because this one kind of super good, you know, you see it?
Oh yeah, yeah. Huge. Nice.
So this one good for skin.
Now, does it taste like anything if you take a little nibble? Let me experiment.
One time I said I'm going to try cook it, steam it. Because the girl tell me in Mexico, I don't know if you go in Mexico and see they eating it too, you know?
Yeah, you know, I was just in Mexico in the spring on a surf trip.
Yeah?
Although I didn't eat it when I was there. All kinds of other good stuff, but actually, you know what?
Yeah.
Maybe they did, and I just wasn't aware what it is. Because you'll see it kind of cooked in other dishes too, right?
Yeah.
And you're not always aware if it's in there or not. And that was my first time in Mexico, so I'm kind of a newbie to Mexican food, like authentic Mexican food. Yeah. In Michoacan. Any people from Mexico, please comment below.
give us the details.
Let's try a little taste.
I think it's super good.
Tastes like a plant. Not much flavor per se. Moisturizing. But interesting, good for smoking. I can see that kind of coating your throat with some protection after maybe you blaze too much herb.
I rub it on my hand and my hand gets stiff.
Yeah, it's like kind of dry and sticky.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you just pour the water like this. And just leave it here, you know?
Okay.
And then it's just take your time and get separate.
How long do you leave this one, Chucky, when you're doing the tuna water?
To be honest, I don't do it by time, I just leave it freelance.
Just leave it for a while.
Bit slimy,
Check
you know?
back till it's like good. Okay.
Freelance.
Yeah.
Now the water here, Chucky, this water is good to drink, yeah?
Yeah.
It's no
Yeah.
problem drinking for people here. They don't have to stress about water.
No
or-
problem. Unless you want to really buy water. But you can just drink it freelance style. You know?
Yeah. Does this one come from a well or it's
It's from the
water?
government.
It's government.
It
So
comes
it's
from the
treated
river.
and
Treated
whatnot,
and
yeah.
everything.
So same way, like when I'm on Moko's yard, I drink the water out the tap there.
Yeah.
I've never had problems same way. So, because some people get very nervous about water in different countries, right?
Yes, because to be honest, sometimes you go to a different place and drink the water, it can be painful, you know,
Mm-hmm.
your belly, you know. So sometimes some people prefer to boil it.
But I
What?
found in Jamaica, I'm getting very good water most of the time.
Yeah?
Either treated or even spring water, right?
Yes, spring water good.
Yeah, some good stuff.
Good
yeah.
spring water. But this water really come from the river, from the government, set up the water system, you know.
I see.
And they put chlorine in it, but they don't do it often unless they really get heavy rain.
Ah,
And when
yeah.
they do it, when they turn on the tap, it's super white, you know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
super.
So
You can even smell it.
So you know when to.
Yeah, man,
have
you
it or
know.
not. So,
Yeah,
okay,
man.
Good to know.
So right now, it's super good.
No heavy rain lately.
No, no
here
heavy
either,
rain, so they don't treat it like that, you know, with no chlorine and thing like that. It just run purified.
Yeah, because some people get really paranoid about water, and I understand. 'cause
I know.
There are places where you don't want to have any, but I've in Jamaica it's relatively well treated. Right?
Yeah, man, that's true.
Gerald, you were saying in Oakland the water is questionable when you taste
Yeah,
it.
like in Oakland, California, the water tastes worse than the water here. It's got metallic and chemical taste, so
Yeah.
I wouldn't
Yeah?
worry about the water at all here. Yeah,
Good stuff.
Yeah.
Avocado.
Because you want to stay hydrated over here.
yeah.
Jamaican avocado, you see? It's super big.
Okay, pear.
Yeah. I grew up call it pear too. I didn't grow up call it avocado. You know?
No, I don't think anyone here did, right? It's
Yeah.
always pear.
All of we grew up call it pear. But maybe they say the proper English word, it's avocado, you know.
In Zulu, it's called the masa.
And this is orange. And this is what? Grapefruit. But you see this grapefruit? When I was a kid growing up in the 70s, we used to love cricket, you know. Called the English bat.
I like the women's West Indies team.
Yes, the woman, you make me talk about woman. The English make me bring the cricket to Jamaica, you know. So our generation growing up is different from now. All of we, like summertime from school holiday, we used to play cricket a lot, you know. So we used to go round by Kano Road, further on this road, you know. Wool it away, man. And climb the tree, steal it from the tree, you know. And use it for the ball, to bat. And then we use the
Wait, you use a
coconut.
grapefruit?
Yeah, man.
Let me feel
Yes.
how tough this thing is.
Use it for the cricket
yeah.
ball.
Man, the same kind of Jamaican grapefruit that makes ting, the drink.
Okay, that's pretty tough, actually.
Yeah, unfortunately the ting
Yeah.
and I've noticed the ginger beer here.
Yeah.
100% fake.
It's fake.
Unfortunately.
Yeah, they don't make it from the original ginger and the original grapefruit.
Oh.
No.
All these things are fake. So like I said before, we used to pick the grapefruit from the tree and use the coconut, limb, and make our bat, you know.
Yeah, that's bad.
Yes, and then we used to play cricket, you know. Up the road, down the road, you know.
If you don't have it, find something that
Yes,
you can use
yes.
for it. Make it
You have
work.
to think outside the box
Right.
and create your own happiness,
So
you know.
you grew up innovative. You have to
Yes,
work with whatever you have.
yes,
to, you have a
yeah.
good time.
That's why I say our generation, we don't waste things.
Because you could reuse
We
it.
recycle things, you know.
That's amazing.
Yes, that's how it used to work, you know.
So how long does a grapefruit ball last you? Do you have to change it every couple
would
of
imagine
rounds?
it-
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
It don't last for long, to be honest with you, you know.
Man, that's still awesome.
And we used to go by the river now and swim in the river by playing cricket, you know. I used to roast breadfruit. Roast all 2 dozen breadfruit, you know. Yeah, all 10 dozen hockey.
So you get tired playing cricket, you go have some lunch real quick,
Yes,
take a
yes.
swim, and then go back to it.
Definitely. That's what we
awesome,
used to do.
man.
because we grow outside, we don't grow inside like these people, you know.
Right.
And we used to play gig and marble and all these things. A long time I don't see this game, you know.
I played marbles with the little
Yeah.
string, and you shoot it outside the string, and yeah.
No, we don't use string. We,
Oh.
we nooks it.
Oh.
We nooks it.
Yeah, that.
With your hand, you know.
Would you guys place bets on it too?
Yeah?
Would you put bets on it? Bet your friends?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
What was
yeah,
the
man.
bet? Because we used to kind of win other people's marbles, and
Yeah, man.
it became a problem though at school sometimes.
I know, I
Some
know, I
kids
know. Even the gig. I used to make a lot of gig, you know. You know gig?
No, I don't know that one.
Gig is a thing where you cut from the tree. We used to do it on Easter time, you know. And then you cut the gig, and then you use a nail and put inside the gig, and then you use a card, twine it on. It nearly shaped like the avocado. And you twine it with the card, and then you fling it down like so. And then it spin.
Ah, it's called
I
a
think
gig
I
here.
think you know it.
Yeah, I think we call it a top. I
Yeah?
think. Like it
Back home.
spins around. and-
Yes.
Yeah. So it's
Yeah.
a gig here.
So we used to do that a lot here, you know.
Did you ever play jacks?
Yeah,
With the
man.
bouncing-
Yeah,
in
man.
South Africa, that was our game, was jacks.
Yeah?
Jacks, freaking jacks. And then you gotta grab as many as you can before the ball bounces down and catch the ball, too.
Yes.
Yeah, that was like our game, because it was like you could get, anyone could afford jacks. So, like, all the kids would sit outside playing jacks and Mancala, too. I don't know if you know Mancala. It's like a stone game. And we didn't have this fancy board that people will buy in America, where it's like, have you ever seen Mancala, Matthew?
I don't think so.
Or it's like a board game, and it's got like 12 holes, and it's about, you know, when it's hard to explain, but they make nice wooden sets for it now with these little like half marbles that are made look like a marble, but like a half a marble. It's flat on one side and round on the other, and it's all fancy. But we would go get smooth pebbles and dig the holes in the dirt and play it that same way. And like you said, we didn't have video games
No, man.
or running electricity. We didn't have inside. We didn't have a playground to play on.
No,
My
man.
mom would say, "Get the hell out of the house! I don't want to see you until
Right,
it's dark.
right.
Until
That-
it's dinner time, you better not come back."
I
Go
know,
outside."
we used to have to do that, you know.
Yeah.
Create our own
so
game, you know.
awesome,
It's
man.
not like now. We have to go to the store and buy a game for kids and they can use phone and play game, you know.
Yeah.
So your mind get more creative, you know.
So everyone was away all afternoon, but we're back. Chucky's here. The tuna water's been brewing. It's probably getting really strong.
Super nice progress. You can look over there and see my German friend here on holiday and just giving me a super nice memory. I will never forget this guy like Michael too. Because he's gonna leave his name right here on that bathroom over there. Look at it. I don't even have word to explain it, the way it looks so nice. You can show them?
And when I left, I just went to Noto Bay. It was just barely just the red section. Yo, progress. And just started this afternoon.
So beautiful. Come try the tuna water over here.
Tuna water.
Yeah, we're trying to tune the water here.
Let's
we
go.
Get a cup and come over here. Come for the video.
It's looking strong.
Yo.
Here we go, tuna water.
Tuna water. Says wash off your stomach, wash off your heart.
Yeah. Chucky, they have water on you.
Oh shit.
Do you want to use this?
Yeah. German brain, you know? Yeah, but German brain.
I'm not good
Yeah.
English brain.
English brain, you know?
Chucky, what is it? Just the water and the...
We just cut up the tuna and just add water to it. And then,
Oh.
and then
Charlie,
it
what
become
is
a
it?
little bit.
Well, let me taste it.
Wow, it does look thick.
Yeah.
Maybe it needs more water.
Yeah, it needs a little more water.
Get some water.
Whoa! It got super thick. Looks like a
Super.
syrup.
You want to try
almost.
it?
I want to choke on it.
Can I film you?
Yeah. Super nice.
Oh, nice. My shirt's almost dry right there. Hello.
Yeah, it's good.
I don't know, is it?
Super nice.
Maybe it's not. It's not even supposed to taste good. I think it's just good for you.
Yeah, it's good.
It's good for you.
Need to be loose a little bit more.
Yeah.
Yes.
Strong?
Thick,
Yeah.
thick. It's thick. I can wash my hair with this.
That's what the plant's for.
Yeah,
Yeah. All right.
good. Thank you.
All right. A little more water.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like the presentation of just a little piece in there too. Yeah.
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 Super nice, you know.
So King David, you do this one regular too, or this is
I've done it before, but not of recent, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
It's a long time I don't do this stuff.
Oh, it's been a while now.
Yeah, very long time, you know. But too much was here now, you know.
Yeah.
And he,
I read a special request.
definitely.
Yeah, appreciate it.
You want to
Chucky.
show the world.
Yeah. Because it was a new one for me. I've
Yeah.
never done it, so. And yeah, you can see how thick it is when he pulls it off there.
Can cook it, you know.
Gotta be good for you.
Yes.
Yeah, I can see how that's
Yeah.
good after smoking.
Yeah, super thick.
Kinda
man.
coat.
In Mexico.
Coat
it's a super
yourself.
meal. Everybody have a glass.
Alright.
Thanks very
You want to try this?
Tuna.
Cactus.
Cheers.
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 Cheers, everyone.
Just
Nice
like
to meet
that.
everyone.
Yeah.
Pleasure being here. Thanks, Chucky.
Super nice.
Mm-hmm.
It's good for you.
It's more medicinal than
This is like, so prickly pear cactus.
That's what I call it,
Yeah, prickly pear we call that. Prickly pear cactus because it's shaped like a
No,
little
I like
prickly
that.
pear.
There's not much flavour, but it's smooth.
You call it what here? Tuna?
Yeah.
Tuna.
Impressions, King David?
It's like a nice drink.
What do you think?
Well, basically, I just know that it is very beneficial, so I'm drinking it, and knowing that it is very medicinal and
Yes.
for the benefits. So I'm saying rather than the taste of it, but it tastes alright.
It clean the structure, you know. After this whole heap of smoking, clean off the stomach, the walls of the stomach, you know. Because the slime going down like okra.
It lowers the blood pressure.
Yeah,
Yep. It has many benefits.
I think so too.
My turn here. Tuna water.
Oh man, this is good. This is refreshing.
Feels like just, yeah, drinking a plant.
Nobody have
An indistinct kind
I've
of
never seen
plant.
anyone make a water with it.
Yeah, good idea, you know.
The thickness is interesting. It does kind of remind me of those aloe drinks.
Water in the supermarket.
But it's not bad. I don't know. Maybe if you mix some lime or something else with it, you could do something even tastier. And,
So, I actually thought it would be bitter because when I first tasted the plant itself, it was kind of bitter.
Oh,
But this
no.
is not bitter at
No,
all.
man, no.
It's very neutral, I would
Just
say.
neutral and smooth, you know.
Yeah.
It's a smooth drink, you know.
Like, add this to smoothies or add this to your
Yes.
any
Yes.
kind of juice and
Yes.
like
It's
it's
super
almost like a
nice.
sea moss type of thickness, not quite that thick.
Right.
But
It don't
Yeah.
think like
And like
Irish much.
okra.
Yeah,
Exactly,
that's what
yeah,
I,
like that
that's what
slime
I
from
said
okra.
before,
Yeah.
okra.
less slimy though. It's more just a nice thickness.
Yeah,
so.
yeah.
So good.
Yeah, it's good.
It's the opportunity.
Yeah, big time.
all right, I'm calling this one a win. If you're at Chucky's, maybe you'll get lucky and you can try it. You can ask him if there's enough pear. Or, I mean, not enough pear. If there's enough tuna to go around.
Yeah.
Yes, when the people come, I can introduce them to making tuna drinks for them, you know. No problem, you know. It works if you are a hard smoker, especially smoking pipe, you know. You got to wash off the walls of the stomach. I learned it from Elder Rastaman when I was just starting to smoke. They always have tuna water because of the chalice. To move that heavy coughing. Yes. Yes.
Maybe you should fill the chalice
Yeah.
with the tuna water and drink it after. There you go. Tuna bomb. Right on.
Super
Thanks,
nice.
Chucky.
Blessed. One love.
That's up, guys.
And just subscribe to Freelance Chucky channel. And David, you can tell them the name of your channel.
Yeah,
you know?
King David and the Royal Family of God. Thanks much.
right on. Thanks,
One
guys.
love. Blessed God.